This is how I use the back gears on this Portass. I've removed my homemade cover and unplugged the machine. There's a grub screw here which I've backed off, and what that does, it frees up the pulley from this main wheel, and then, as you already know, you lift up that lever there, engage the wheel, and then you can put the lever back down. It locks it in there. And so as I've backed that off, when I plug it back in, hopefully this will work. Just check the RPM of the So what I've got is a wheelbarrow axle, and the thread is stripped. So the first thing I'm going to do is try and tidy this up. I was going to build it up with weld and then grind it down again, but I didn't like this thread anyway.